The hardest part of selling your family home isn't the packing, it's the guilt around leaving. This house held Thanksgiving dinners where the turkey was always slightly dry, birthday mornings with cake batter on the counter, sleepover where kids dragged blankets down the hall at 6 a.m. The wall held photos, the backyard held graduations, the front door held 1,000 hellos and goodbyes. And now you're supposed to hand the keys to someone else? Here's what I tell every client who sits across from me with tears in their eyes. The memories are not in the walls, they're in you. You don't leave them behind when you leave the house. You carry them. They come with you. They always have. Letting go of the structure isn't forgetting. It's choosing to stop maintaining a museum of a life you're still actively living. You're not walking away from your history. You're walking towards what's next. And you're allowed to do that.